Adobe Acrobat 11 makes the reviewing and collaboration process very simple and streamlined, and the commenting and markup workflow within Acrobat is very mature. The basic tools have been around for many generations of this product, and there are several ways to approach the document review process within Acrobat. We'll take a look at some of those ways, and no matter which one you use, the workflow contains some core elements. You initiate a review by inviting participants and making the original document available. The reviewers then comment on the document, adding their markups, and finally you gather the comments and consolidate the results. The review workflow is significant enough that it gets its own section in the toolbar, the Comments pane, located here on the right. We'll go ahead and open the Comments pane, and in here we see the category called Review. If we open this category, we can see that there are two types of reviews available to us. Over the course of the next several videos, we're going to focus individually on each of these. But for now, we'll touch just briefly on these to give an overview. We're looking at the document newsletter.pdf, which is located in the working files, and we'll be using this document for the next several videos. This is a document which is in draft format, and it needs to be sent to a group of reviewers for comments, for inputs, and for final proofreading before it gets sent to the members of the ornithology organization. We have two potential ways to facilitate this type of review. We can send it for shared review. When we do this, we'll post a copy of this document on Acrobat.com, and we'll invite other reviewers to visit Acrobat.com to review the document either online or offline and add their comments, annotations, and markups, submitting the results back to us through Acrobat.com. The reviewers will actually be able to see each other's comments and markups during this process. We'll be able to review and track their comments in a consolidated view managed through Acrobat.com. The second option is to send for an email review. If you don't want to use Acrobat.com, or your reviewers may not want to or be able to use Acrobat.com, you can use standard email. In this case, you'll actually be sending copies of the document out for review as email attachments. In this case, your reviewers will need to open the email attachments, make their comments and annotations, and send the modified document back to you. When you receive the documents back, you'll be able to open them, consolidate their comments and markups into a master document, and review all the comments together. However, the individual reviewers will not be able to see each other's comments with an email review. In either case, we have the tracker. The tracker can be used to monitor the review process as well as to track forms data. We'll review forms in an advanced course, but in this series of videos, we'll be looking at the review section of the tracker and tracking comments and input from our reviewers as we go through the process. So let's get started with the collaborative review process within Adobe Acrobat 11.